I think it's important that you create a great work environment. You'll have heard of the mantra, tidy desk, tidy mind before. And for me, creating a more efficient space to shoot my videos has been another part of the puzzle.
So it's a different day than the rest of the video. I'm just gonna walk you through what the room setup looks like. I've literally woken up and come up this morning. So if I were gonna shoot some content this morning, you'll see exactly how easy it will be for me to just move a few things around very quickly, flick a few switches, and I could start recording straight away. So this is what it looks like. So I've got all of my computer set up here. Got my microphone, good to go. My audio interface is set up with stereo ins going in, microphones going in around the back. Got my headphones plugged in, ready to go. All my power's now on. To the left of that, I've got pedals up on my little table, so I can easily play, record and access them. My second camera, ready to go. I've got my backdrop, which you'll see in a lot of my videos. So I've got two different points of interest in terms of lighting, there and there. And then I've got these LED lights that constantly, permanently sit behind me. So again, one flick of a switch and all of that comes on and I can adjust it accordingly. And this is kind of the setup that I have facing me at any one time. This C stand, this is called a C stand, if you didn't know that. Primarily what I use to attach my second camera to. I've got my main key light that is there. And then I've got my main tripod here. This is my monitor here. So this will attach into my camera and ensure that I can see back what the camera is seeing. And as you know, a lot of the videos are quite a dark, moody vibe. That's kind of the look that I generally like. So I tend to control the lighting environment. So let me just show you what that looks like. Got this big ass window at the end of the room. And what I tend to do is pull the blind down. And then we're good to go. So we flick a few switches on. Key light is on. Let's turn these LEDs on. Pop the lamp on. There we go. In about 20, 30 seconds, have got this set up. Guitars, etc., all down there. So there we go. If I'm good to go and I've got a script set up, then I can literally be up here, one flight of stairs, probably 4 or 5 switches. I could be filming within 2 or 3 minutes, flick my computer on, flick Logic on, and just get going. And that takes away a lot of what I had previously, sort of mental hurdles about how long it was going to take. I've got to go and set the lighting up. I've got to make sure my sound's working. I've got to position everything. And I don't do that anymore because I've got a fixed environment pretty much, which again just encourages me to do this more.
All of these things mean that when I do come to shoot, I've got everything I need to hand pretty much set up and ready to go. For someone like me, maybe you, who's relatively time poor, piecing this setup together has made a huge difference in how quickly I can shoot and get an end product. It feels like one less thing to do, one less hurdle to jump over to get to the end goal. And anything that does that is worthwhile investing in.